So Bafethu, as you know, Bavumile has disappeared. He's gone missing because of Uhlati. Uhlati came into the house, Tatu Bavumile, and then he disappeared. And again, I must say, I'm disappointed with Daphne because Daphne might be fired if ever they find out Uguti. She actually knew Uguti Uhlati was in the house, but let Uhlati take Bavumile. I'm pretty much sure that Daphne knows Uguti Uhlati took the baby. You understand? But she is quiet. She's not saying anything. You understand? And she's gonna cost the family a lot. So Wafethu Zolega realizes with no man, she hasn't been hearing the baby cry. So she must run to the room. It's quiet. Bavumile is quiet, you understand? She runs to the room, Bafita Yikingan, you understand? So they go to Hlati's house, Lapana Cosmo. They rush to Hlati's house, Kunotulan, Lapana. There's the whole family. There's Utumega, there's Umfaz Katulani, there's also Likamva, there's Uyanga. So they go there. Lazarus is crashing out, guys. He's crashing out. Lazarus I've never seen Lazarus this angry. Because he wanted to lay his hands on Tulani because he knows that Tulani and Hlati are very close. So Tulani might have known something. So Lazarus keeps on asking, Tumega, no Zolega, kept asking Tumega, Lazarus up. No, ubavumile uphi, because obviously they know the baby. Bafethu Hlati is Tumega's husband and also Tulani's brother. So obviously, the first people who are suspects are them. So you can see Bafethu Hlati Tulani is worried. They're calling Untiki. Untiki also doesn't know Hlati uphi. Untiki does not know Hlati uphi, you understand? So everyone is actually crashing out. They all have emotions. There's just mixed emotions within the family. We are born with uphi obavumile. We are born uphi obavumile because ubavumile disappeared noHlati, but uHlati akaziwa ukuthi ukuphi. Akaziwa uHlati ukuthi ukuphi. So moving on, bafethu, Sydney noLillet Gumede now have started working together. Obviously because they want to take Khusela down together. Now they're working as a team, you understand? So I think the deal is sealed, and they agreed on terms and conditions, but I think they were actually working on getting a Wi-Fi password or Wi-Fi yaga Zolega in Zolega's house. So obviously, if they're working with systems, they want to crash another system, obviously. So they have to start near Wi-Fi lapana. It was Zolega. So once they they start doing that, you understand? Umfazi kaSydney walks in uHlengiwe, so she asked ukuthi benzani laphana and stuff because Sydney had a file. So that file, I think, ekaHlengiwe. So Sydney wants to work ngefile kaHlengiwe because uHlengiwe is consulting noHlati, you understand? And Lillian had to lie and say they are working on terms and conditions regarding their collaboration of work. Crazy enough, because there are many secrets laphana kulomndeni kaSydney, and Sydney has a lot of secrets that she has to tell uHlengiwe. So moving on, Bafethu, Ntsiki arrives after a call. Mayifika ke laphana, she's also shocked because she doesn't know ukuthi uHlati uphi. You understand? So she's asking the family ukuthi how can Hlati do such a thing? Because they never even thought ukuthi uHlati would do such a thing, ukuthi avele athathe ingane without anyone knowing ukuthi ukuphi, without anyone knowing ukuthi uthathile ingane, understand? And uyanga Bafethu is very scared, because she thinks ukuthi uHlati might even hurt the baby or harm the baby. So Tumega was there for her daughter, to comfort her and tell her ukuthi no, Hlati wouldn't do such a thing, ukuthi he is messing with Bavumile. That's the only thing that they want right now, Bavumile, and nothing else, you understand? Because Tumega also told Uhlati ukuthi he must leave this thing because it's going to cause tension and cause trouble. Tsiki obviously had to come and witness the same thing, because everyone is going to get hurt in the family. So back Bafethu Lanaya Sydney. So these people are working together, you understand? So Hlengiwe leaves the room because I think they defeated her with lies, and secrets, because Sydney always has secrets towards Hlengiwe. So they're trying to crack a Wi-Fi yaga Zolega. They want something lapana Wi-Fi yaga Zolega. But to actually do that, this scene made me laugh for days. I won't lie. It made me laugh. I won't lie. I understand. So Sydney is a genius. He initiated or invented an idea with the only way to actually crack the Wi-Fi laphana kaZoleka and get whatever they wanna get is to actually send a link scamming uDaphne. uDaphne is a domestic worker laphana kaZoleka. So when uDaphne opens that link, you understand, then they're gonna actually like crack whatever they wanna crack the Wi-Fi laphana kaZoleka. So basically their plan actually worked, because obviously they made a poster and created a text, you understand. They have a link to send to uDaphne, yabona. As you can see, like how uDaphne receives the message. So the message firstly was like she won 20,000 rand. So Lillian was like, no, increase that money to 50,000 rand, you understand. So Sydney said, no, okay, let's send her a text, yabona, and a link, a message, SMS, saying ukuthi she won 50,000 rand. So uDaphne Bafethu has no idea ukuthi this is a scam. They scammed uDaphne. And uDaphne was excited. She couldn't believe ukuthi she was the one who actually won 50,000 rand. As you can see laphana Bafethu, Sydney bambuka through the cam footage laphana. Uyadansa laphana uDaphne, she's celebrating uwina kwakhe, which is a scam, and she doesn't know that. So uZoleka Bafethu is emotional, yabona, sephelelwa amandla. And uLukhanyo, her brother, is there laphana kwakhe uZoleka. I like this family bond abanayo. They support each other. So Qhawe arrives, yabo. Mayethi uyafika Qhawe, these people went straight to work, you understand. I think it was a thing yokuthi now they wanna track uHlathi using, I don't know which cell phone. I think his cell phone or something, but they're tracking uHlathi because all of these people work, well, Qhawe, Lazarus, and actually uZoleka work in a tech firm. So obviously they're gonna like open up something and do something to actually track down uHlathi and get where he is. So uHlathi Bafethu nangu, he's in an unknown location, uyabona, uhamba noBavumile. Uyabona, Bavumile is crying laphana non-stop. He is crying laphana emuva, you understand. And uHlathi Bafethu had to like stop in an unknown location, ahamba ayombheka lapha noBavumile, you understand. So phumile uHlathi laphana, uhamba ayombheka, held him for a while, yabona bephandle laphana. And then I do not know how the police did not see uHlathi, because the police actually crossed by that street, but did not see uHlathi holding the baby, you understand, because there was a siren, yabo, in the audio. So the police actually passed by and uHlathi had to duck down with the baby, because as you can see in the picture, his body was actually down in some degree. So manje, the police crossed through, yabona, there were sirens, and then uHlathi puts back uBavumile in the car. You understand? Bavumile is crying, yabona, of which I think the child is now hungry, or maybe the child is panicking, you understand? But because Bavumile is a kid, I wouldn't know Bafethu, because I've never like taken care of a kid like that, you understand? So when Ntigi goes back home, when Ntigi goes home, angena uNtigi and she receives a call. So when she receives a call, was to actually like also ask uNtigi about an update, I think, regarding Bavumile. So obviously uNtigi also said ukuthi she wants an update about regarding Bavumile. If ever they hear something, they must call her. But after she actually drops down the call, she hears a baby crying, but on the other room. So asondeleke, she takes something to actually protect her, only to find out ukuthi umthetho, uHlathi is the one holding the baby laphana kwaNtigi. No one knows how Uhlathi got in there. Akekho waziyo ukuthi ungene kanjani uHlathi. I'm also confused. I'm also wondering ukuthi ungene kanjani lapha uHlathi. How did Uhlathi get in laphana noBavumile? So it's getting more confusing for uNtigi, because uNtigi was also on the hunt, because they also called her to actually ask her ukuthi, have you seen uHlathi? Uyabona. So is uNtigi gonna keep uHlathi and hide uHlathi noBavumile, or is she gonna expose umuntu wakubo? Because uNtigi noHlathi are related, you understand? Of which I think uNtigi is gonna hide uHlathi for a while, yabona, without actually exposing him ukuthi she found uHlathi lapha nakubo, because they are family, you understand? Or do you think ukuthi uNtigi will expose uHlathi, or uNtigi might be bribed, yabona, ngemali, because uNtigi yambona naye, she takes anything, yabona, ufuna upase entweni naye whatsoever, you get me? So comment down below, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.